Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Rudolph shoe in Dress to Impress. In this tutorial, we are revealing a festive shoe hat inspired by the most iconic reindeer of all, Rudolph. So this is the shoe that I just created, and I'm going to show you how you can create this one. So first, there are two code items that you need to use. The first one is this leg warmers. You can color it green. And the second one is this bunny slippers. Then you can color the first one brown and second one red and just leave the eye black. And then after that you can combine it with these two shoes. The first one is this boots in here, this high ankle boots, and you can color it green. And next one is this boots. For the first and second color, you can make it brown, and the third and the fourth make it green. Then your Rudolph shoes is done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.